In today's video, I will teach you how to use the tone curve in Lightroom. Let's get started. The tone curve in Lightroom is a powerful tool that allows you to adjust the tones of your image with precision. It helps control the brightness and contrast of a specific tonal ranges, making it an essential feature for fine-tuning your photos. Here's a step-by-step guide to using the tone curve effectively. First, open Lightroom and navigate to the Develop module. In the right-hand panel, find the Tone Curve section below the Basic panel. The tone curve is a graph where the horizontal axis represents the tonal range of your image, from shadows to highlights, and the vertical axis represents the brightness levels from dark to light. At the bottom left corner, you can find shadows. At the top left corner, you can find dark tones. At the center are midtones. At the top right corner are highlights, and at the bottom right corner are bright areas. And there are two types of tone curve adjustments. The first one is parametric curve. This curve is divided into 4 regions: shadows, darks, lights, and highlights. And you can adjust the sliders under each region to control the brightness of the respective tonal areas. The second type is point curve. This allows you to place and move points directly on the curve for more precise control. Simply click on the curve to add a point. Then drag the point up to lighten or down to darken the tonal range. And to delete a point, right-click and select Delete Control Point. You can also use the tone curve for common adjustments. To add contrast, you can create an S-curve. Simply drag the lower part of the curve or the shadows down slightly. Then drag the upper part of the curve or the highlights up. And you can also use the tone curve for lightening and darkening the image. Simply drag the entire curve up to lighten the image or down to darken it. And for adjusting specific color channels, simply click the channel drop-down menu to select red, green, or blue channels. Then adjust these channels individually to correct color casts or add creative color effects. For example, to reduce a blue tint in the shadows, you can select the blue channel and pull down the curve in the shadows region. And to reset the curve, simply click the Reset button at the bottom of the Tone Curve panel. Alternatively, you can right-click on the curve and select Reset Channel. Mastering the tone curve in Lightroom can significantly enhance your editing process, providing you with control over the tonal and color balance of your images. Experiment with different adjustments to see how they impact your photos and develop a deeper understanding of this versatile tool. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.